Everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce a project called SAR, which stands for Regression and Prediction. SAR is a statistical web application that combines the power of our Shiny and gemini.R. This application is designed to help users perform statistical analysis more easily and understand the result more clearly through dry AI-generated explanations. Why SAR? This idea for SAR came from a common use issue in statistics. Many people can run statistical models using software like SPSS, R, or Python, but often they struggle to understand what the output actually means. This program shows the result in tables and charts, but they do not explain the meaning of the coefficient, p-value, or relationship between variables in every language. On the other hand, tools like gemini.R are great at producing writing explanation and summarizing complex information. However, they are usually not integrated with statistical tools. You often have to copy the results from one tool and paste them into another just to get an explanation. That's why I created SAP. We wanted to solve my problems by combining two strengths, the actual modeling power of R and the interpretation abilities of community AI. How it works. SAP is by using the signing methods in R. Signing allows us to build interactive web application using only output, then integrate it with community AI. Using gemini.R package. This package sends the statistical output to gemini, which then returns a plain language explanation. First, data upload. Users begin to uploading the readxl files. We use the readxl package to import the data into the apps, and then variable display. This action button, once of the data is loaded, the apps automatically list all of the variables in the datasets, and then data explorations. These features that can be used to explore the data using a button that displays summaries of statistics and visualizations. As an example, if we want to show correlation metrics, SAR include a feature that shows how variables relate to each other using a correlation matrix. And then regression models. User can run simple and multiple linear regression models by selecting dependent and independent variables. Just click linear regression models button and we can see in first we set the API that inside a mini.R package, and after that we set and we make AI prompt like the code below. And automatically AI interpretation uses the most important features. Once the model is complete, user can click the AI interpretations that inside the AI prompt and start will set the model result to community AI and display a human-like explanation for the sample, which variables are significant, how strong of the relationship are, and what the findings mean in real-world terms. Let's practice. To ensure the apps work well, we test them using both dummy datasets and real agricultural datasets from Indonesia. After testing, we published the apps online using tinyapps.io so that everyone can try it. The apps is available at the following links. What is Microsoft? Why is SAP is important for us? First, it helps users understand statistical outputs more easily. When people find regression output confusing, they might not know what the P value and R square means. Sharp provides explanations that are clear, concise, and helpful. Second, it reduces the chance of misinterpretation. One of the biggest risks in statistics is drawing the wrong conclusion. Misinterpreting results can lead to poor decisions, incorrect reports, or failed strategies. Sharp has reduced this risk by offering reliable AI-generated guidance. Third, self-improve statistical literacy can be a valuable educational tool for students or professionals who want to learn how to interpret models better. The AI explanations are like a filter and tutor, making the apps a great support tool for learning statistics. But this application have some human limitations. Of course, some is still a work in progress. At the moment, the apps only support simple and multiple linear regression. That means it works best when your data involves continuous variable and linear relationships. Other models, like logistic regression or functions analysis, are not yet included. Also, the user interface is still quite messy. It's functional and easy to use, but we know there is room for improvement. We want to make the interface more attractive and user-friendly in future versions. Additionally, Microsoft used Gemini.R that inside the gemini.R package it depends on a working internet connection and good API access. In the future, we want to explore offline or local AI models to make a tool even more accessible. Thank you for your attention and see you.